flagging a growing tendency to misuse laws protecting women from cruelty by their in-laws. The Supreme Court has said courts must exercise caution while deciding dowry harassment cases to prevent unnecessary harassment to the innocent people. The remarks are significant amid a nationwide debate on the misuse of the dowry prohibition laws in the aftermath of a 34-year-old man's suicide in Bengaluru. Now, before he died by suicide, Atul Subhash recorded an 80-minute long video in which he accused his estranged wife Nikita and her family of slapping multiple cases on him and his family to extort money from them. Atul Subhash was also criticized justice system in his 24-page suicide note. Meanwhile, UP police has visited the residence of Bengaluru techie. The police have also filed an FIR against his wife and 4 others alleging abetment to suicide. The police have visited the estranged wife's house in Jaunpur as well. The techie's family demands justice. Meanwhile, parliamentarians are demanding change in the law for men who fall victim due to the lack of gender neutrality in this case. Going across to my colleague Prabhakar, who is joining us at this moment on this story, has been tracking this very, very closely. Prabhakar, it's a tragedy, but the tragedy has sparked a debate. I mean, what is happening as far as the investigation is concerned?
See, the investigation will certainly be happening in Bengaluru because that is where the incident has happened. But we are right now in Patna because the family of Atul, the family is from Samastipur, which is in Bihar, and they have just arrived from Bengaluru after the cremation which happened yesterday. And as we speak, I am parked at Patna airport. If I could just show you, that's the vehicle where the family members of Atul, his brother, his parents, his father, brother, they're all in that particular car you can see on your screen. And now they are leaving for Samastipur, which is their native village. And the moment they landed here, they were surrounded by media as expected. But especially the mother, while she was talking to the media on camera, she fainted. She fainted in front of the camera. She was crying. Both the parents were actually in a very desperate situation. And as you can see, this is the vehicle. You can see the mother, father, then the entire family members. They're all leaving for they're just leaving the Patna airport premise. They're leaving for Samastipur, and that is where the family lives. Now, we were talking to his brother, his maternal uncle, and his cousins. They all had accompanied Atul's parents here. They were saying that Atul actually gave no hint as far as his mental condition was concerned. He was sounding very normal to them, but for last 3-4 months, he has been writing that suicide note, that 40-page suicide note he was writing for last 3-4 months, and he was giving all details into that. He also recorded the video message which we are showing on our screens, but when he was talking to his family members, he was actually giving no hint, no clue as to how mentally disturbed he was. And he had a word with his family members just a day, on the same night actually, at 10 p.m. he was talking to his parents, and he was sounding very normal to them. So they're all taken by surprise as to how he could have taken such a drastic decision.
Right, thank you, Prabhakar, for joining us with all those details. In fact, disturbing the whole video, and there needs to be an investigation now. Earlier, we spoke, in fact, to the father and the other relatives of Atul at the airport. Prabhakar spoke to them. Listen in.
इतनी न्याय प्रणाली अपनी कमजोर है कि मैं उसके बारे में क्या बताऊं। मेरा बच्चा तो सब बयान दे गया है।
मेरा बच्चा बहुत टॉर्चर हुआ है।
बहुत टॉर्चर, इतना टॉर्चर हुआ कि हमको नहीं बताता था कि मेरे माँ बाप दुखी थे।
मेरे बच्चे को टॉर्चर बहुत किया गया है।
अब ये तो आप उसमें सुने हैं ना कि टॉर्चर करना भी एक हत्या है। टॉर्चर करना भी एक हत्या है।
मेरा बच्चा बहुत परेशान हो गया।